Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing how we create and experience art. AI tools are empowering both seasoned artists and aspiring creatives with novel ways to express themselves. Imagine a world where algorithms can translate your imagination into intricate visuals or compose symphonies that evoke a kaleidoscope of emotions. AI art generators, for instance, can conjure up stunning visuals from simple text prompts. These AI models are trained on massive data sets of images and text, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships that mimic human creativity. A musician, for example, could use AI to generate visual interpretations of their music, creating a captivating fusion of audio and visual art. However, this technological revolution is not without its challenges. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into the art world, it's crucial to address ethical considerations surrounding authorship, copyright, and the potential displacement of human artists. The true potential of AI in art lies in its ability to empower artists, democratize creativity, and foster a deeper appreciation for the interplay between human imagination and technological innovation. Stable diffusion stands out as a groundbreaking technique within the realm of AI art generation. It empowers AI models to create incredibly realistic and intricate images from textual descriptions. Imagine whispering a dreamlike scene into the digital ear of an AI, only to watch in awe as it materializes on the screen before your eyes. This technique operates by training AI models on vast data sets of image-text pairs. The AI learns to associate specific words and phrases with visual elements, textures, and styles. Through this process, the AI develops a sophisticated understanding of how language translates into visual representation. However, achieving stable diffusion in AI art generation is no easy feat. It requires immense computational power, sophisticated algorithms, and carefully curated training datasets. Ensuring that the AI accurately interprets the nuances of language and translates them into visually plausible representations is an ongoing area of research and development. At the heart of AI's ability to achieve stable diffusion lies a complex interplay of algorithms, data, and computational power. The journey begins with training the AI model on a massive dataset of image-text pairs. This dataset acts as the AI's artistic education, exposing it to a wide range of visual styles and concepts. As the AI ingests this data, it begins to discern patterns and relationships between words and visuals. Once the AI has developed a robust understanding, it can generate novel images from textual prompts. The AI parses the input text, identifying keywords and phrases that evoke specific visual elements. Section 4. A glimpse into the future. AI's evolving role in artistic expression. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on the art world is only beginning to be felt. Imagine a future where AI art generators become as ubiquitous as paintbrushes and musical instruments. In this future, AI could serve as a creative collaborator, assisting artists in exploring new artistic styles and generating novel concepts. Architects could use AI to design buildings that seamlessly blend with their surroundings. The democratization of art creation is another exciting prospect, with AI making it possible for individuals with no formal artistic training to bring their creative visions to life. However, this future also presents challenges that must be addressed. Section 5. Embracing the potential AI and the democratization of art. One of the most profound implications of AI in art lies in its potential to democratize the creative process. Historically, artistic expression has often been limited by access to resources, training, and platforms for showcasing one's work. However, AI has the power to break down these barriers, making it possible for anyone with an internet connection to explore their creative potential. This democratization of art creation has the potential to unleash a wave of fresh perspectives and voices, enriching the global artistic landscape. AI can empower individuals who may have felt excluded from traditional art forms due to physical limitations, geographical constraints, or socioeconomic factors. Section 6. A harmonious collaboration, where human creativity meets AI ingenuity. As we stand at the cusp of this new era in artistic expression, it is essential to remember that AI is not here to replace human artists. Instead, it should be viewed as a powerful tool that can augment and enhance human creativity. The true magic of AI in art lies in its ability to push the boundaries of what's possible. AI can assist artists in overcoming technical limitations, freeing them to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of their work. The future of art lies in embracing this synergy between human and artificial intelligence. Ultimately, AI's role in art is not to replace human creativity, but to amplify it, to empower artists with new tools and possibilities, and to inspire a new generation of creators who will shape the future of artistic expression.